Hi, this is Charlie Thompson with PennLive. Just wrapped up the second day of the case in chief against Graham Spanier, the former president of Penn State, who is facing trial on child endangerment charges. The prosecution has just rested its case, and we should be starting with the defense case tomorrow, Thursday morning. And I guess the case appears to be on schedule to potentially go to the jury by the end of the week. Not really sure how much of a defense case will be presented. It had been thought that Spanier would testify, but the defense had kind of a good day through the prosecution case today, so I don't know what they'll decide to do tomorrow. The reason the defense had a good day today was that two of the major prosecution witnesses, former athletic director Tim Curley and former vice president of business and finance at Penn State, Gary Schultz, both of whom had pleaded guilty last week, took the stand today for the prosecution. And the problem was that neither of them really backed up Mike McQueary's pretty consistent account through the Sandusky scandal that he reported a case of what he thought was a sexual assault. Both Schultz and Curley at various points in their testimony stopped well short of that. And because they are the people who Spanier was getting his information from, it appears like his lawyers have a clear path to kind of make the argument that, hey, I can't vouch for what Tim and Curley knew, or Tim Curley and Gary Schultz knew, but as for me, I never had enough information to formulate the idea in my mind that what Jerry was doing was criminal. And that could be the key to him getting out of this trial without a conviction for endangering the welfare of children. You know, a lot has to play out over the next day or two in court. I'm not predicting anything, but I'm just saying that seems like the prosecution case was perhaps less than they had hoped it would be. That's my wrap up from day 2 here in Harrisburg.